Want a quick, easy way to determine exactly where your vibes are hanging out these days? What level you're falling at on the scale? Stick around, we're going to talk about that today. Hello and welcome to the Wholeness Shift. My name is Veronica, and if this is your first time here, welcome. I teach people about simple, practical spirituality and help you navigate your spiritual awakening. I teach about intentional living and the law of attraction and all of those little things that you can do to help create the life of your dreams. So if this is something that interests you, hit the subscribe button below because I wouldn't want you to miss anything good. So today we're going to talk about your vibrations. I get questions all the time about, well, I think my vibes are high. How do I know where they are? How do I tell? Or I get questions about the law of attraction and why am I not manifesting anything? I feel like I'm doing okay. So how do you know exactly where your vibes are hanging out? Where are they? The simple, easy, quick answer is to look at what is manifest. And what I mean by that is look at your life. What is manifest right now? What have you already manifested? What does your life look like? Do you have a really lovely, beautiful life full of peace and joy and love and happiness every single day? Money's easily flowing in and out to you. All of your needs are always met. There's very little stress. You just feel good. Is that where you're hanging out? Or is your life full of drama and stress and toxic people and nothing ever seems to work out for you, etc.? Because that is what's going to tell you where your vibes are and what you need to adjust. Because of law of attraction, you receive exactly what you are. You attract what you are. You repel what is different than you. So if you are attracting drama, toxic, always being broke, nothing's ever working out, etc., that's because that's where your vibes are hanging out. So you have to do a lot of work on shifting that vibration and pivoting where you are to, I just got a picture in my mind of friends, Ross going, pivot, pivot. Anyways, you need to pivot your mindsets and your belief systems and any old patterns hanging out in your mind in order to get to a higher vibrating, more loving, more abundant place. If you do have all of the good stuff already, if that is manifest already in your life, awesome. Right on, you're right where you need to be. However, if you're still not getting that thing that you're wanting, whatever it is, just look at your belief patterns in alignment with that specific thing because the rest of everything's okay. Anyways, I hope this helps. If you have any comments, questions, let me know. I'd be happy to help, happy to answer. Go over to the Wholeness shop and check out all the new merch I have over there. I'm adding new stuff every couple of days. And if you need some coaching services, head on over there and schedule with me because I would love to spend some one-on-one time with you. Okay, you guys, I'll talk to you soon. Until next time.